Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear all app data and cache on iPhone. So guys, if you want to clear all app data and cache on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you easily do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your App Store and then go to your profile and then tap on personalized recommendations, and from here you will see the button to clear app usage and data. So I simply tap on this, and after this you have to simply tap on clear app usage data from here. So guys, do this, and after this all app data and cache on your iPhone will be cleared and your iPhone will run smoothly. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily clear all app data and cache using this method. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.